And welcome to the experience of a lifetime. Today is a day like none other. For today, you, me, and everyone else in this auditorium will experience something that most rational people have never experienced before, and most rational people will never experience again. And you are a lucky member to join this. Someone go, shake this person in. Today we are here to experience how it feels to chew 5 pieces of gum. I invite you now, take out, unwrap your individually wrapped pieces of gum and individually place them in your mouth. And please put the wrappers back in the bag, and then if you end up putting the gum out, like put it in the bag. We don't want to deal with like a bunch of mess. So, aside from the bit, please eat what it feels, or experience what it feels like to chew 5 pieces of gum. Wow. Oh my God. I'm done with you. This. I'm on 1. I'm on 4. We got 4 over here. We got 4. Grace, you can get the 5 first. Please don't choke. 5. 5? Oh my God.
That's a lot.
This was really bad. Oh no. I'm not getting that one. For the bit, we'll say that I've gotten 5. It was a lot of gum. Put the wrappers in the bag. I will. So, for those of you experiencing what I'm experiencing, let me ask you, how does it feel? Unpleasant. Welcome to spit out the gum and talk. Welcome to how it feels to do 5 pieces of gum. We've got a wonderful show for you here tonight. This is improv comedy, meaning that this show has never been performed before and will never be performed again. So, if you find it funny, laugh. If you find it sad, cry. And if you find yourself having 5 pieces of gum in your mouth, try to, I don't know, feel all right. And without further ado, I'm going to put your gum out. Ignore how it looks. All right. Actually, without further ado, we're going to open up with our first game of the night. So, everyone, this is a ding.
Ding.
And our first game is emotional ding. Can I get Joe, Z, and I think Matt? David. Oh, it's hard to remember. So, in this game, emotional ding, these 3 improvisers are going to be doing a scene for you based on an audience suggestion. Can I get an audience suggestion? Any one word? Yes. Iced tea. Iced tea.
That's 2 words. Hyphenated.
It's good. It's hyphenated. Yep. Iced tea. Now here's the catch. Anytime I ring the spell and give them an emotion, they have to embody, experience that emotion on stage, all while doing a scene about iced tea. So, you guys can cross up on iced tea. Iced tea.
Hi, come one, come all to little Timmy's iced tea stand.
Hi,
Wow.
Timmy. I'm so excited to try your iced tea. Is it sweet tea?
How did you make all that iced tea as like a little boy?
You are just a wee lad.
Well, of the dark arts.
Happiness.
We've been looking into the dark arts a little bit.
So yesterday I sacrificed my dog.
Whoa! That's a great first spell. I mean,
Baby's first sacrifice.
In return, iced tea.
oh, that's from the dog?
Yeah.
That's so advanced.
Oh, look at my cups all over here.
Oh, please. I'd love to try some.
Samples on the house.
Oh my God.
Thank you. How much is a cup?
Oh,
Disgust.
a cup's $100.
Oh,
It tastes like wet dog. Ugh.
and also that price is awful. After we drank the wet dog,
I thought it was good.
did you drink it?
Do you have taste buds? Ugh.
Oh,
Kids these days.
exactly, even you.
Guilt.
I killed a final for that shit.
He's only 5. Maybe we should
be a little bit nicer to him. What's wrong with this kid? What's wrong with you?
He probably doesn't. Where are your parents?
Oh, they were part of the sacrifice for the dog.
Embarrassment.
My parents are the cups.
How did I not
ask that?
And how did I not tell? We've been dabbling in the dark arts for so long, and I thought this was just dog. There's parents in here too. I can taste it now that I know. But
No, maybe I shouldn't have killed my pet. Oh, that's. Oh.
Yeah. That's
Listen,
so embarrassing.
yeah, kid.
Wait until our teacher's gonna hear about this.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we forgot to tell you, we've been dabbling, but we're also young students in the dark arts. This is embarrassing for us as much as it is for you.
Compassion.
Well, what I try again.
Oh, I think that'd be great.
We can do it, we can work together.
Would you guys want to be participants?
I would love to.
Oh my gosh, we've never been a participant in a sacrifice
Okay, so-
before.
Do you need a sacrifice? I'm so good.
Oh, can red circle.
I'll lay here.
And I'll stand in the little circle.
Okay.
Turns into iced tea.
Turns into a cup.
All right, next up we have the team for Household Olympics. Can I get Liz, Spencer, David, and Matt up on stage? You guys are about to experience an Olympic competition like none other. Our two competitors here and our two judges slash announcers slash people watching will be commentating on the Household Olympics, where these two competitors are going to be performing a menial household task. Can I get a menial household task?
Making easy mac.
I don't know what that is.
Like microwave mac.
Vacuum. We've done vacuuming very recently.
Painting a shed.
I like painting a shed.
works, yeah.
All right, so you guys are gonna watch these guys in the competition of painting a shed. You can cross up on painting a shed.
Painting a shed.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the 12th annual Painting a Shed Olympic event. I'm your host, Liv, and I'm joined by...
Spencer, and today we have an incredible competition. Two never seen before painters. We don't know their names.
I think the one on the left is Matt.
That might be right.
I think so. I heard he likes to, paint with like a wide brush. And his opponent, David, I heard he likes to do like the two-hand technique.
Ooh, that's some difficult work. We're going to see a lot of technique here today.
Yeah, a lot of technique work. And they're finished up with their stretches, and we have like a nice shed in front of them. And our competitors are off.
Look at that. See,
Look at Matt go.
he's always prepared. You see, he actually pre-dips his paintbrushes.
Oh, Matt is climbing on top of the roof.
He's like, I don't think it's going to score extra, but that is beautiful.
Yeah, usually just go, oh, no!
That's going to cost him a lot of points. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Is he concussed?
Is he concussed? Oh, he's really concussed.
He started counting.
All right, David is shooting the chef's paint platoon style. Wow, that's great.
Wow.
Matt is really confused. He's not painting at all anymore.
David's already on the finishing room.
David is painting the floor. Matt is lost. David helping out.
The paint is drying.
He's trying.
He's dry. That's very important for the
David is trying to want the great sportsmanship, and he's kicking the shed. Matt is kicking the shed, and David is wrapping up easy peasy. This looks like a rat, folks.
Oh my god, this is a slaughter.
And yeah. Oh, Matt.
Oh, the lack of sportsmanship from Matt. That's not gonna fly.
What?
Oh.
He's painting it with his body. Technique.
Real artistic.
He's ruining David's work. Oh my god. We're getting to the judging period, and David's losing a lot of marks for that big body mark. I think Matt wins.
Matt won! Oh my god!
Thank you. Yes, give it a hand for these guys. Wonderful job, Matt, winning the Painting a Shed Olympics. Great. Next up, can we get Vinny, Kyle, Spencer, and Dan up for Codewords? So, in this game, each of these characters have a code word. This code word tells them whether to come on or off stage. It's like a toggle switch for those of you in CS. So we need a code word for each of these improvisers. Can I get a code word for Spencer?
Cereal.
Tree stump. Tree stump? I'll go with tree. Can I get a word?
Cereal.
Cereal. A word for Vinny. Button. And one final word from the audience.
Flapjack.
Less
Phone.
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 All right, what do we have?
Tree.
Cereal.
Button.
Phone.
Button.
Cereal.
Tree.
You will forget this. So, additionally, all we need is a location for these improvers to do their scene in. Can I get a random location?
The Barton's house.
No.
Inside of a turkey sandwich.
No.
A factory.
A factory. All right, you guys can cross up on a factory.
Factory.
I fucking hate the cereal factory. This place fucking sucks. Oh.
Tell me about it, man. All we do is make Cheerio O's all day. You'd think they have a machine for this.
Right? I mean, come
It's a
on.
fucking O. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
they make so many. They make so many. It's all by hand.
Absolutely
They
ridiculous.
have a conveyor though. Why are we doing this by hand?
I don't fucking know, dude. Honestly, you know, I might phone up the boss and I might tell him that I'm.
Hey, it's me, the boss. Oh shit, it's the boss. Oh shit.
His classic trademark style of introducing himself as the boss. Let's see. I've got a bone to pick with you, man.
Oh, really?
Yeah, absolutely. You keep on making us make these Cheerio O's with our hands, but we demand a machine that at the push of a button you can make a Cheerio just like that. What do you think?
We actually just mail ordered me. I'm the machine.
And it talks? That's super awesome.
It's incredible. Are we doing our job?
Of making cereal? Let me go off stage and think about this.
We're fucked. Okay. Try my button. Oh god, fuck! Oh, I broke it. Fuck. Actually,
Well, now that the machine's broken, how are we gonna save so much money? Like, we need to sell more product. We need the machine to sell the product.
I think we need to take a long, hard look at that. I think the right answer is that you don't take my job from me. Please, I need
Well, we need people to operate the machine.
Okay.
And maybe at just a push of a button, we could get another machine.
Amazon, your same-day delivery is whacked out.
Yeah. Especially when they order at 11:58 p.m.
They fucking
Yeah.
They really run that.
Yeah, it's like they have to chop down so many trees to get it to you on time.
I can't stand that. That's fucked up. Do you want me to make more cereal?
Yes.
Yes.
You ordered another machine? I've had an entire change of character. I despise this machine because it puts me out of a job. Automation will be the death of us all.
We need the machine to make more product. What are you doing?
I can make those Cheerios myself. Look at this. What if we took the Cheerio O and we twisted it? It's an infinity loop. We have an infinite amount of cereal. We'll always be able to eat cereal. I'll make you so much money. It's like it's growing on trees.
Infinite Cheerios.
What do you think, man?
I gotta go make a phone call about that because that is genius.
Absolutely. Oh, God. I love capitalism so much.
You guys can sit down unless your name is Vinny, Matt, David, Spencer, Joe, or Dan, because these guys are going to be up for keep. So, in this game, these 6 improvisers, 6 behind me, will be given a one-word suggestion to base their first of many scenes off of. After this first scene, I will ring the bell and tell them to move on and keep something from the scene. This will continue. Oh, we need a suggestion. Yes. Squirrel. You guys can cross up on squirrel.
Hey, raise the nuts, everybody!
I've got as many as I can in my cheeks.
Oh yeah, give him the pop. Come on.
That's 2, okay, 3, 4.
That's all I fit in my cheeks.
Oh, really? Such a fucking sham of a squirrel you are, okay? Listen, how am I going to survive the winter without all these nuts that I steal from the squirrels?
You can bury your own fucking nuts.
Oh yeah, what are you gonna do about it, little guy?
I'm gonna bury some nuts and forget where they are. Move on. Keep animal capitalism. I'm the rich rat, and I make money selling mouse traps. Because,
The poor mouse. I hope I don't get hit by a mouse trap again.
well, if all the mice were killed, they wouldn't need any mouse traps. I don't want you to die. I want them to think.
So you're keeping me around for the...
Yes, I am using you for my own benefit.
Squeak, squeak.
Oh, shit. Okay, flick my rat tail.
No, don't deflate your rat tail.
Dude, we gotta take over. We have so many more. We have at least double the amount of the rat tail.
The mouse bourgeoisie. I mean, not bourgeoisie, proletariat.
The mouse bourgeoisie!
The rat bourgeoisie!
We're French now.
As a member of the rat proletariat, you always should do it. Oh, there's so many. I'll join them, and then I'll betray them.
Oh, I love betrayal. Hey, move on. Keep confusing glasses.
Man, I sure hate being a serf and like ruling a kingdom. Oh man.
Excuse me, sir. Spare change for the top 1%.
What? Money in your treasury?
Please, sir. I only have $20 million.
My fields only contain grain. So you have to deal with that, you peasants. Okay, you peasant king. Oh, God.
The middle class is unchanged.
David Scarrett.
Actually, I just changed my mind. The middle class is shrinking, and it's shrinking fast.
You got my vote.
I'm the middle class. And I've got so much... Look at him, he's shrinking!
I love the middle class.
Take that middle class. Get short. Get forward. Get forward. Get forward.
With my new shrink ray, the middle class will be no more. We won't be able to see them.
Move on. Keep evil scientist. All right. Death ray is powering up.
Professor.
The death ray is powering up.
Professor.
At this kid.
You did not.
He is too strong for my death ray.
Professor, that's just like a like one of those laser things you can get at a store that like cats.
Are you saying that I can use my death ray to play with my cat Otto?
Let's move it out.
It's a little unwieldy because it's on a whole cart with wheels and everything.
Yeah, I mean it's a bit big for one, but I mean like.
I'm really glad that you're able to do the rest of it.
Don't go.
Wow. Move on, keep David's character.
I'm in the park hunting cats. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Oh, where's my cat?
Oh, you got a cat? Hey, let's look at your cat together. Me with this rifle.
I'm in the park hunting cat hunters.
We can shoot down the trees.
Yeah.
That will fall down.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna
Yes,
happen.
that is exactly how that works.
Yeah, let's
Hang on a second. Are you a cat hunter?
Yeah, a cat.
I am your enemy.
Oh no, me too. Oh no, 2 cat hunters.
Listen, is it wolf?
Hey.
Wonderful. You guys can all sit down. Thank you, everybody, for coming to the short form portion of the night. We're going to take a small 5-minute break, but don't go anywhere. Just like they tell you on TV, we'll be right back with long form right after the break.
Feel free to stick your gun out now.
Yeah, you can speak your gum out. Your gum out already.
Yeah, you guys kept the gum in your mouth this whole time, right?
Welcome in, everybody. Settle back down. We're ready to get the second portion of tonight, the long form portion. So can I get me, Liz, Matt, Joe, Vinny, and Jack up for long form? Tonight we're going to be doing a Houseboat, a classic offset block choice. So, these 6 improvers, including myself, will be doing a long form set with multiple scenes, all based on a location given to us by you guys, the audience. So can I get a location?
Rikers Island.
No.
Food court.
Chicago.
Far too the grocery store. You like grocery stores? It could work. I think we could. I like grocery store. We're going to be doing a long form set in a grocery store. Grocery store.
Howdy, y'all. I'm Farmer Tanner, and I'm here to sell my prized Giganto pumpkin. I used all the radioactive chemicals I needed to make this pumpkin as big as it is.
I'm the Rat Rascal! And I will be stealing all the pumpkins and all other produce in the store. I'm the head of security at the store, and I'm immune to radioactive chemicals, and I hate rat rascals. And I'm Sean. I'm the Big O. I'm a cereal mascot, and I'm trying to steal the cereal. I could get into some wacky side plots.
My name's Frankie. I've been stuck behind the frozen food section for 4 years. It's really cold back here. I want to get back out, but they won't let me stop stocking the frozen foods.
My name's Barbara. I was just like transferred to become like the manager here, and it fucking sucks.
Grocery store. I see you've got a radioactive pumpkin.
Yeah, right behind me. My Giganto pumpkin.
I can tell it's radioactive, but that doesn't bother me.
You want to cut a pumpkin?
I wouldn't. I mean, we probably shouldn't cut it yet.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Okay.
I got my trusty machete on me.
Oh, that was kind of close to my head there.
I'll try some of this pumpkin.
That was a lot of pumpkin, even for a large, muscular fellow like myself.
It's
Big and
strong. Yeah, exactly. Now, how much will you want to pay for such Giganto pumpkin?
Well, it would be a conflict of interest for me, but I can tell you, I will make sure that none of the thieves I have intelligence on will be destroying or stealing your pumpkin.
Should I be worried about that?
You might want to be, but I've got it under control.
Okay, you know, I'll trust. I'm gonna bring this to the manager, and I'm gonna try to get on the shelves. Fun to see.
I'm wearing Groucho Marx glasses. Hi, I'm a reporter. I'm just here to learn a little bit about your little grocery store here. I understand you're the manager.
Why are you doing a story about Publix?
Well, Publix is actually my favorite grocery store.
Oh,
You see, they stock the most Big O cereal in the tri-state area.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so what would you say is your security detail?
Well, I have one security guard who's really oddly dedicated to patrolling the store. He's really big and strong.
Oh, strong, you say?
Yeah, he's also like resistant to radioactive material. I don't know why a grocery store would need that, but that's what they told me in the briefing.
Maybe he has some eyesight problems. Maybe if you were to punch into a guy with a big hole in his chest, like he would miss. You know, if there were a guy with a big hole in his chest, which I don't have, you know.
Is this like a normal interview for like a grocery store?
No, every newspaper is going to be talking about this.
They are?
Every newspaper, you're gonna want to tell me if he has any like weaknesses or
Well,
something.
I actually might need to talk to him. I don't know about that. Oh God, I'm sorry. I'm still learning. There's so much I need to learn about grocery store management. I'm not like a bad manager, am I?
Oh well, I won't tell anyone.
Oh.
Hey, I know your name. What was it though? Frankie. Frankie. It's nice to see you again. You're still back here stocking the shelves?
Yeah, and you're the rat that they have just not killed, huh?
Nah, they can't find me. Nah, they never find me.
And I'm way too slow to catch you, so at this point, I think, you know what? You're my friend, eh?
Yeah, you know, I come visiting and I say hi.
You know,
how you doing, Frankie?
your rat fur keeps me warm. It's
Of
nice.
course. Yeah. So, milk, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like it?
You know,
It has its ups and downs, I will say, but like I just, you know, picking it up,
the way.
putting it down.
Anyways, Frank, I've got a plan. I heard there's this farm right here, and he's got a giant pumpkin.
Okay. Is there any special properties about this pumpkin I should know?
I don't know if there are. Here's what I'm thinking. If I let you out, you and me, we could get that pumpkin. And it might keep you nice and warm.
Oh.
And I would be able to eat it.
Well, radioactive pumpkins, if I'm assuming that's what you're talking about.
I have no idea.
Oh. Well, if it happened to be radioactive, it would be really good at keeping me warm.
I'll see if I can get you out, and then you'll help me, right?
Of course. All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
Security guard. Hi, Sean. Yeah.
Sorry, I was just finishing my weekly radiation test. I passed.
Is that like a common issue here? Do we have radioactive goods?
The pumpkin.
The pumpkin.
The big pumpkin.
What big pumpkins?
The big pumpkin that they're gonna try to sell at the big event. The FDA is beneath my concern.
There was a reporter and he was like asking about your weaknesses.
Oh, my weaknesses, such as my poor eyesight, and if you can just get that mannequin with a hole in its chest.
Yeah?
Let me see. Oh, I think, see, my hand went right through. See, I can't hit things with a hand with holes in my chest.
Okay. That's interesting. He was right then. That's
Yeah. I am big and strong, though.
yeah. Big and strong.
I'm big and strong, not big and strong.
Big and strong. Okay. So wait, what about the pumpkin? Wait, no, we don't go. I don't know what I'm doing. It's fine.
The important thing about the pumpkin is we have to protect it. There are rumors flying that I can pick up with my hearing, which is much better than my eyesight. That somebody's gonna try and steal the radioactive pumpkin, and we can't let that happen.
Okay, I'll trust it to you then.
I'm glad to have that responsibility.
Hey, you.
What?
You must be new around here, huh? No, stay on the I've always been stay on the Oh, you must be new around here, huh?
Oh, don't put your hand through me. Oh my God, I'm like a puppet.
And you've got a hole right through you, huh?
No, sir. No, sir, there's no holes. No, I've always been here too. I've always, oh!
I think that's a hole. What's your name?
I usually get taken out to dinner before someone does that.
Look, I'm a rat rascal. I do what I want.
Okay, I'm trying to.
What's your name?
I'm Big O.
Big O?
My friends call me Big O.
That's a great name.
I know. Well, I'm after some cereal.
I'm after a pumpkin.
Wow, it seems we both have some sort of MacGuffin that we're after.
Like a blind soul or something. Who's stopping you from getting the cereal, huh?
Well, that security guard, I mean, if only someone were to take care of him, or...
Wait, you got a problem with the security guard too?
Yeah, I do, fella.
I got a problem with the security guard.
I have problems, I am very insecure. So I have lots of problems with security. I've got this hole where my heart should be.
Well, hey, you know what we're gonna do?
Yeah?
We're gonna fill that hole with cereal.
Oh my God. It's what I was always destined to do. I told you, Mom.
Thank you, Ralph.
Is that?
It's me. I'm Farmer Tanner.
You're bringing this pumpkin into the frozen food
Yeah.
section.
Why is this in the cooler?
This is the cooler? Oh, shit. Well, this is my first time around this store, so I don't know how it
Is
works.
that the radioactive pumpkin?
Oh, yeah. great for cholesterol.
And it's around the milk.
Its radioactivity is actually like, it's very warm even in the...
That's one of the 7 points. Ooh.
It is?
Perfect for the winter. Perfect for the winter.
Why don't I just like give it a... I can't even get my arms around it. Oh my God.
It's a free sample, baby.
How much do you charge for this pumpkin?
About, carrot 0. About $10.
Oh.
That's
I guess if this is common company, product, I don't want to get near it. Can you give them this $10?
well. Actually, I was hoping that we could set up a trade agreement because I got more gigantic pumpkins, and I also got this cereal brand called Pumpkin-O's.
Oh, is that radioactive as
I
well?
was made from the gigantic pumpkin, so
Oh my.
My rat ears are picking up something interesting.
I guess we can talk about this more in my office. We could get an agreement, I guess. Only the pumpkin that's radioactive stayed away from my office.
I still have the $10.
Just give it to him.
Okay, yeah, here you go.
That's for the pumpkin. We can discuss.
Can I just
cereal
hold
later.
on to the pumpkin like?
let's go make that deal.
Here I am, patrolling the beans aisle. I will now patrol the pasta aisle. Oh my god, I spotted a rat in the pasta aisle. Not you again. You're so big and strong. And I'm so small. And weak. And weak. Small. Yes. Hang on. I'm gonna check the beans aisle one more time to make sure this isn't a hallucination due to my poor eyesight. What? He's not in the beans aisle. Must have been a hallucination. That's the best part of being small and weak. Wait. Let me just orient my hole so it's right in front of your face. There's nobody here! In the beans aisle! Onto the tomato sauce.
So, about that pumpkin, my pumpkins right there.
Yeah. So the issue is with your cereal brand is that we already have to deal with the big O cereal brand. I don't know if they're gonna like the
Fuck 'em.
pumpkin.
Listen, do they provide iron? Because my pumpkins are made out like iron, at least a little bit.
Oh, well, I mean, I guess that's good for nutrition.
Of course.
Okay.
We also got titanium, we got steel, we got cobalt in there.
Okay. I just have to warn you. My security guard says that a lot of people like stealing around the store. Are you gonna be okay with your goods maybe potentially getting stolen?
Well, I got this machete.
Are you gonna stay in the store and protect your cereal at all times?
Well, maybe. Listen, I can run between here and the farm. After eating those pumpkins, I got great legs. Oh.
I see. Okay, well, actually, that's great. If you can help my security guard, there's like a rat around here. Maybe if you can catch that rat, I'll put your cereal on the shelf. How about that?
I'll kill that rat.
Sounds great.
Frankie, was it?
Yeah, and Rascal, right? Of
Yeah.
the rat variety?
Yes, rascal.
Rascal, comma rat.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
That's my idea.
Nice. Okay.
Look,
So,
I got the janitor, not the janitor, he's the security guard. The one that's big and strong. Yeah, and I'm small and weak.
big and strong.
Yeah. Oh, you're very cool.
Yeah.
Stole his keys last scene.
Oh, nice.
So I can finally let you out of here.
I'm glad that the rat, that is no way associated with my employer, is treating me more humanely than my employer. Oh, the warmth. Oh, this is great. I will help you harvest as many pumpkins as you need, Rat Man.
Look, what I need you to do is distract the security guard and distract the farmer. They should be the only two people we have to worry about.
Honestly, yeah, like my existence outside of the freezer will be enough to alert everybody.
Perfect.
Excellent.
Oh my, let's get into the office. Oh, sorry, I was just...
Hold up there, bud. Hold up.
Oh my god, what is this? Big O cereal's getting replaced by Pumpkin O? This official document that I found in the office. Puts on Groucho Marx glasses. I'm a reporter. The Big O fans that are not me, people who like Big O that are not me, are going to be outraged about this.
Well, how about...
It's actually like a cult. They have a cult following, I would say.
What are you pumping at, right?
Well,
open it up.
They are O-shaped.
Oh, open up the bag and then try some.
Oh my god, what is in this?
Radioactivity.
Oh, I only like chocolate and 200 grams of sugar in each of my bowls of cereal.
We got 0 grams.
Is this like healthy or something? Ew.
Of course.
Oh my god.
It's gonna make you big and pumpkin strong, like that security guard. Now, listen, you got a rat I can kill?
Well, I mean, if you make a deal with me, if you keep pumpkin owns out of this store, I mean, I guess I could. There is a rat around.
Can I sell the pumpkin still?
Yeah, go for the pumpkin.
Okay, you know what? Fuck the pumpkinos.
Okay, well, I can lead you to this rat fella.
Lead me to the rat boy!
Oh,
Lead me to the rat boy!
Let me check the frozen food aisle on the guy I locked in there 5 years ago. It's empty, and I haven't been back since 5 years ago. At some point in the last 5 years, he escaped.
I'll be honest, I've got to say, room temperature is actually very nice.
There he is!
I know, you didn't see me. Go figure, right? Your eyesight hasn't changed in 5 years. Put it up.
It's a good thing if I hit your hand, it probably would have broken your brittle bone.
Yeah. So anyways, there's nothing over there.
Was something scampering?
No. I think, honestly, you know what? You caught me, fair enough. Take me back into the freezer.
Let's bring him back into the freezer for another 5 years.
I found the pumpkin. I just gotta move it out. Oh no! I'm too small and weak for the people in the back. I'm too small and weak for the pumpkins over there.
I will now leave the prisoner.
I wish that cereal guy would come to help. Oh, okay.
Where's this rat? Where's this rat
The
now?
rat's right here, and he's in the middle of stealing your pumpkin. Oh, fuck.
Well, you know, let's take a look at it. You know, maybe you need some giganto pumpkin.
Oh my God, is this like Popeye? I don't feel small and weak anymore.
Right?
Hi.
That's an amazing product. Hey, wait, hold on.
I think I might be big and strong.
No, you broke me out of the freezer! Thank you, rat! You saved me again!
Indeed. Now, I know he's got plenty of pumpkins still over in that corner.
No, that was, only the one was for sample, okay? You gotta pay for the rest.
I won't do any payment, and as long as that security guard or manager doesn't show up, I'll be able to get exactly what I want. Because I'm big and strong.
Oh God, I made the wrong choice to give
Wait,
it a
why is
sample!
there a rat in the freezer? Security! There's a rat in the freezer. Security!
Say, is there anyone else going near here right now? Oh, I see one of them.
By the way, hello.
We meet again.
I can only see the rat.
Indeed. It's your me.
It's a final showdown.
Oh my lord.
Wow, they're both so strong. I wonder who's gonna come out of this.
Security guard!
I see it.
Take a pumpkin!
Oh, there's nothing over there. Okay.
I've got the advantage.
I made the wrong decision again!
And I have the pumpkin. Yes. Unused. And that's our set. Thank you guys for coming. We have another show tomorrow at 3 p.m. Please be there.
In Babio 122.
In Babio 122, you'll get more gum, presumably. More gum.
More gum!
And it'll be an entirely different show. Because it's improv.
Yeah!
Everybody on stage so I can sing. All right. We've got David, C, Kyle, Liz, Matt, Jack, Vinny, Joe, Spencer, and Dan. I've been Max. Thank you all for coming.